Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County, Central St. Croix County, Southeastern Polk County, in northwestern Wisconsin until 3:30 a.m.
Okay, it's getting out
At
of here.
3:15 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hugo to South St. Paul, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near.
Look at this. Oh my god.
Stillwater, Hudson, North Hudson, Maple, and
That's it right out there.
3:25 a.m. New Richmond, Ely, and Roberts around 3:30 a.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is weather radio station KEC 65 Minneapolis, St. Paul.
Get a look at this. Sheesh, that's it. Right out there. That's exactly the severe thunderstorm. Okay.